Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about the greatest facts about animals. So, here's our big list of the greatest animal facts. This includes some of the most highest, fun, surprising and crazy animal facts from across the animal kingdom. The loudest, deadliest, fastest, largest, most bizarre, and random are all here in our big animal fact lists. The loudest animal in the world is a mere 2 centimeters long prawn. The pistol shrimp is capable of snapping its claw shut so rapidly that it creates a bubble which collapses to produce a sonic blast, louder than a conglomerate sonic boom. The shock wave can reach 230 decibels, also louder than the sound of a gunshot. The imploding bubble for a split second also generates temperature for 4400 degrees Celsius, nearly as hot as the sun, killing its gray. Flamingos are not pink, they are born gray. Their diet of brine shrimp and blue-green algae contains a natural pink dye called canthatoxin and that makes their features pink. Flamingos in dew often lose their coloring until the dew keepers supplemented their diets. Otters hold hands while sleeping so they don't float away from each other. And it's super cute. Hummingbirds are the only known birds that can also fly backward. Um, they often do this when retreating away from flowers. Dolphins use toxic pufferfish to get high. Dolphins deliberately handle pufferfish, causing them to release toxins as a defense mechanism. These toxins can be deadly in high doses, but also have an narcotic effect and are a powerful hallucinogen which dolphins appear to enjoy. A documentary witnessed them passing around pufferfish in a pod before floating just underneath the water's surface, apparently mesmerizing by their own reflections afterwards. The island taipan, also known as the western taipan, is the most venomous snake in the world. A single bite contains enough venom to kill at least 100 fully grown men and can kill within just 30 minutes if left untreated. They very rarely ever come in contact with humans. However, every reliable identification of a snake bite victim from an inland taipan have been herpetologists when handling or studying the snakes. They have all survived due to successful treatment with antivenom. Venom. The world's deadliest animal isn't a shark, bear, or tiger, but something far smaller, the mosquito. According to the World Health Organization, 725,000 people are killed each year from mosquito-borne diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever. They outnumber every other animal in the world. Apart from ants and termites, they can also be found in nearly every part of the world, all, which all add up in the risk they pose to humans. There are more than 1.4 billion insects for each human on the planet, according to recent estimates. Ants have colonized almost every landmass on Earth. Their population is estimated as 10 billion alone, in comparison to approx 7 billion humans on the planet. The hottest living animal in the world is the mayfly. Its entire adult lifespan is just 24 hours. The mayfly reproduces and then dies during that short 24 hours period of life. Some species of mayfly only live for 8 to 10 hours, although they have the shortest adult lifespan. They actually exist as a nymph in water from 3 to 7 years, depending on species. The horned lizard is able to shoot blood from its own eyes, up to a distance of 3 feet away. The rather bizarre and disgusting act is a defensive mechanism to confuse predators. Their blood contains a chemical that is noxious to predators, and this isn't its only trick. Short-horned lizards are also capable of inflating their bodies up to twice their size to scare anything away. Roosters prevent themselves from going deaf due to their own loud crowing by tilting their head backs when they crow, which covers their ear canal completely, serving as a built-in earplug. A study showed that their crowing averages over 100 decibels, which is roughly the same as running a chainsaw. So that's all for now. Thanks for review. Put a like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.